So this evening I've attended the Proceq presentation on various different products. We actually have one product in our range at the moment, which is the Proceq GPR Live. However, they did show us the new Proceq 8800, which we are really excited about and looking to add to our range of products. One of the reasons it's very versatile, get into very tight spaces, which a lot of sites we're on, we have to get into tight spaces, and the machines we've got just can't adapt to that at the moment. Large area scans as well, we can import the data straight away, which is going to be a massive time saving. Most of the time when we're on site, we have to go back to the office, download the data, prepare all the data together, and it takes quite some time. Whereas to be able to provide our clients with this information literally after we've scanned it is amazing. To be able to provide that information, upload it, it's the innovation of that product is fantastic. When I get back to England, I've got a presentation. Hopefully I can add that to my presentation to my clients to offer them new products within our services. So Proceq, they are really moving forward.